Hi, I'm Russell from VideoGo, and I thought I would just give you a quick tutorial on the teleprompter. So just the basic editing functionality. So here in the main menu, when you first open the teleprompter, you get two icons. One is teleprompter only, and the other is teleprompter and record. So the idea with teleprompter only is that you would use it if you were going to have it on a lectern or by the side of you somewhere if you were doing speeches or a live talk or something like that, where you can use the teleprompter to scroll gently through a speech and it prompt you with a reminder or help you to do your speech. So we're not worried so much about the eye line on that. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm just going to come through, and it comes through with this standard text. And I'll just go through the icons here. So we've got a star icon. The star icon is to save the script, so you can give it a new name and save. The delete icon, obviously you can see the bin icon, you can get rid of the script. And then here you can see different scripts, and it will give you a warning that you're going to override your current script. And what that means is that you'll lose any changes that you've done if you haven't saved them. So make sure you save them, anything you decide to do. So this is the sample script here, and in here there's a note. You can read all of this sample script to give you an idea of how the teleprompter works. One interesting thing in here is to try it. It says try the pause functionality. If you put a capital P and pause and then the brackets and then a number, then the teleprompter will pause as it's scrolling through. It will pause for that number of seconds. This arrow icon, you just click on that when you're ready to then go through to the actual prompting mode. So now we're in prompting mode and we can see our script here. First thing I would do is get the text just right for your eyes. So depending on how far away you're going to have your iPad, you can add this text, make it larger or smaller. Then once you've done that, you can then just press play. In the left hand corner you can see that the app will start to scroll through your text. Here you've got a tortoise and a hare icon, and of course we know the difference between a tortoise and a hare is the speed. So if you go more towards the hare, you will speed up your text, and if you go further away towards the tortoise, you'll slow down your text. So this allows you to get a feel for it, and then you can pause it. If you said, well, now I want to really want to have the text a little bit bigger, you can do that, but of course that will affect how fast everything goes. So it's a constant sort of jumping between those two settings, the size of the text and the speed, in order to get what's just comfortable for you as you're doing your speech. And then you can see that we give the blue strap as an idea of where you would be speaking, but of course you don't have to, because you're not going to have any control over this whilst you're doing the speech, so we tend to just have that as a guide. Okay, and in the next tutorial we'll go through the teleprompter and record mode.